Like always, we got a hanger for your coat.
Right now, you're moving real fast. Hold on, see, I'm trying to hold on. Get the rope, get the rope. You know what I'm saying? There's a whole bunch of boats out here, dude. Oh, we got I don't think he got the biggest one yet, but smallmouth bass, that's a big boy. Now, obviously, I have to take a picture holding it. What? What'd you say?
I was laughing. I saw that pop with Jesus because it was.
Yeah, I said, that's like a win.
I started laughing about it. I learned something new.
With
17 inches, 17,
woo!
17 and a half.
17 inches. All right, yeah. Oh.
You want to kiss it?
Yeah, I have to kiss him goodbye then. He gonna last.
They gonna pull you off the boat by yourself.
He
Is that because I go ahead?
well, I got, you want the, I got this in here. But I'd say 17 inches, baby. That's what we talking about. That's what we talking about right there. Right there. There you go.
Better fight now. Rock.
You gotta put him back in there. Yeah.
Rock can't anymore.
But, see, I got on there.
Release him pretty soon.
Yeah, you don't want to fool.
Hey, lad.
Yeah. Okay, we got a big small out here.
Yeah, I'm getting more.
Gotta grab him like you said, Lance.
You don't rock your feet down.
What's the length on that?
Big?
Yeah. How big is that one? Did you measure it?
No.
That's bigger yet, eh?
No, I don't think it is.
No.
I don't think measure right quick.
I'm gonna throw him back in.
Yeah.
There he goes.